Hello everybody and welcome to our second tutorial about the sum function. What do we see here on the screen? Peter has 4 stores in different cities here in Germany and he has sales. We want to calculate here the sales for each city and also for each month, and I want to show you all the different ways we can use. Like you know already, we start on calculation with typing equals. We can click the first cell reference and then we can press at the keyboard the plus sign. If you want to do that kind of calculation with each cell, it takes a very long time because we have to always click a number here followed by pressing plus on the keyboard. So there must be a faster way to do so. I just type an equal sign and then I start typing the function name SU. Microsoft Excel is opening a pull-down menu showing functions that are starting with these 2 characters. We are going to double-click on some. Now, clicking on the first cell reference, we want to include into our range, that is B3, followed by pressing a colon sign. And then we are going to click the last cell reference we want to include into our calculation. In our case, it is B8. You can see after the function name sum is typed in parentheses. We do not have to close here this formula by using a closed parenthesis. Microsoft Excel will add that by its own. Only step we have to do, we have to press the enter key. Looking one more time on the formula, calculate the sum, start at B3 up to B8. 1751 is the correct answer. There is another way how to calculate the sum. I will erase this one. We position the cursor. After that, we are going to our home menu. There is an icon that is named AutoSum. Just click it. Excel is asking us, do you want to calculate the sum starting at B3 up to B8? We agree, so we just press enter. If the cell references are not correct, then type the correct one. That was the third way. Now the fourth one. Highlight the cells we want to include into our formula, including the cell where we want to display our total. And then we are going to click AutoSum again, located at the home menu. The fifth and the last way, I want to erase this one again. We want to highlight, or we have to highlight all the cells we want to include into our calculation. The only step we must do now, home menu, click on AutoSum. So the calculations are made very fast. We want to make some changes here. We want to add our comma style. Highlight the cells again. Home menu. Below is written number, and here is written the comma style. Just click it. You know already from our first tutorial, when you can see these hash signs, we have to size our columns. This one a little bit bigger. Okay. How can I undo this formatting, for example, when I do not like it? Highlight the cells again. It's already highlighted. Right mouse click, format cells. The number tab is selected. Here is written General. Just click it. Followed by clicking on OK. Another formatting we can do, we can add here currency signs. One more time, before you will make changes, you have to highlight. Home menu, number is here written, and here is written accounting number format. Just click it. In this case, we can see here the euro sign and the US dollar sign. Select the one you like. In this case, let us use German. One more time, we have to size our columns. I want to undo that again because I want to show you the second way how I can add here accounting number format. Right mouse click on highlighted numbers, select format cells. Below category, there is written currency. Here we can see our euro sign. Just let us click this down arrow here. Like you can see, there are really very many currency signs. We just click the one we want to use here. In our case, let us use the euro sign. I'm sure you can find here also the currency sign of your country. Followed by pressing OK. The selection decimal places, it's normal that we are using to here. So just click on OK. So that was the second way how to select a currency style. That's all for today. I hope the one that I showed you can help you a little bit in your office work. Thank you and see you next time.